To remove or replace the main speakers, first remove the touch mat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, the column assembly, the bottom rear cover, and the motherboard EMI shield. Detach the speaker's connector from the motherboard. Remove the connector from its cable guides on the middle frame. Detach the 6 black Torx head screws, securing the speakers to the PC. Remove the speakers from the unit. Note that the speakers do detach from one another, but must be removed and installed together as a unit. To replace the speakers, place each speaker carefully onto its standoffs. Attach each speaker to the front bezel with its 3 Torx head screws. Replace the speaker's connector into its cable guides on the middle frame. Replace the speaker's connector to the motherboard. Make sure the speaker's interconnector is tucked under its cable guide on the front bezel.